I don't know if this happens to you guys, but sometimes when I'm coding, my brain will kind of just turn off and I'll just stare at the screen doing absolutely nothing. I think the reason for this is probably attention span. I think my attention span kind of works like a sprint meter in a game where like if you overdo it, it has to reset, except whenever mine resets, I just get fucking lobotomized. So how do we actually solve this? With fear. They say something is better than nothing, right? This absolutely does apply to coding. I mean, take Elon Musk for example, who tried to evaluate his software engineers by a genius metric, the number of lines they wrote. I want you to take a second to think about this one. I'll even give you a real-world scenario. Elon Musk asks you to write software for the new biggest tech breakthrough. Calculator 2.0. Now, Calculator 2.0 has only two abilities, addition and owning the libtards. Now, Daddy Elon also hired another very promising software engineer from San Francisco, and he's going to try and evaluate you guys by the number of lines you write. The other guy writes some garbage, and it works, but it's obviously trash. I mean, look at it. Of course, you being the genius Elon baby that you are, write the most beautiful, clean, wonderfully complex code that only you can understand. And then the other dev gets banished to Oakland and is never seen again. Editing John here. Unfortunately, all the footage from me creating the program looks like... yeah. So unfortunately, I don't have any good footage of me writing the code, but thankfully for you, me writing the code is extremely fucking boring, and I don't think anyone cares about that anyways. Alright, let me show you guys what this thing does. So whenever I'm coding, if I stop to think for 10 seconds, the code will blow up. I also get a warning sound 3 seconds before the end of the 10-second marker, so at 7 seconds. And then if we keep typing, it'll reset the timer, but obviously our code is gone. Now, another important thing is that if you really think about it, we don't need comments. I don't know why comments exist, so if you try to comment, you're just wasting space. And it will get obliterated. Alright, let's get started with our first project, which is going to be Calculator 2.0. As soon as I start typing, it's going to start. Let's go. Import Pygame, we need import sys, so we can create a screen variable. So we need a running loop in Pygame equals Pygame.quit. Oh, running equals false. What did I do wrong? Oh, we don't even have an if statement. If we're in some range, then do some stuff. We need rectangles, we need buttons. Oh, we also need our screen. Pygame.draw.rect. What's the sizes for a rectangle? Or what do we put in this rectangle? Holy shit! Oh man, okay. Attempt one down? Alright, same thing. Import Pygame, import sys. So we just need our screen thing. What we need to do is make rectangles, right? So I want to have like a button on the left that's green, and that's going to be for addition. And then I want to have a button on the right that's red, and that's for owning the libtards. And I think all I want to do with them is just print to the terminal, because writing text on the screen is too hard. I don't know how to do that in Pygame. Yeah, I'm stupid. That's ironic. What's the color? This one's green. RGB, so 0 to direct value. I don't know what the fuck that means. So we need this to be 1000 minus 250, which is 750. No. Same height, same width, same height. I just said that. Fuck, we need XY. If X is
greater than 50 and
X is less than 250 and Y is greater than 50 and Y is less than
1 plus 1 is 1. I don't know if you guys have read Terrence Howard's paper. Very important paper. Very important paper. My uncle is related to Nanya. I like that. Okay, I think we're good. Nope, don't delete it. The nice thing about this program is that I can't test my code while I write it, so I have no idea if this is going to work until we try. So let's give it a shot. Wow, this is really everything I was hoping it would be. Let's click the addition button. Nothing's happening. Okay, that's not good. Now let's try it out. Wow. I think I succeeded as a developer here. And then if we click red, I think this is exactly what Elon wants, so I would consider this a success. I think we can move on to Pong. Alright, in all honesty, I have done this before. This really bad program I did make already, and the footage was just really blurry, like the footage before. Oh my god! So, with Pong, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never made Pong before. I can't imagine it's that hard. Alright, I have no plan. I'm not going to think about it yet. So, let's just run it. Alright, I know we're going to need the same stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. We're also going to, we want this to be 2 players. So, we'll have the arrow keys being one, and then we'll have W and S be the other. Which is 350. No. Okay, so now what do we need? We need a ball. So the squares can move up and down. We also need to draw the squares, so maybe we should just do that. I think we're done. I think we're done. Okay, somehow I got through this entire thing without blowing up. But I also probably wrote some bullshit. Alright, let's give it a shot. What the fuck am I looking at? What the fuck is happening? Alright, let's see if this works. What the fuck is happening? Why is it so fast? I have to spam the keys. Oh shit. I think we're done. Oh my god, it actually kind of works. It like doesn't, but it almost does. Okay, the right side collision is having some difficulties. We also can't score. I forgot that's kind of like an integral part of this game. We're done. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right. I think we actually did it. I think we actually have playable Pong. It's a little fast, but you can see the score updating on the bottom. Wow, I'm really bad at the right side. It works. Nice.
Alright, so the last thing I did for this video was I had my roommate try it, and he had absolutely no idea what he was walking into. Unfortunately, the clips are fucking blurry again. I'm still going to show you guys the clips because, I can't get an original reaction again. I had a really good time making this video. If you enjoyed it, then follow along. Maybe you'll see some more really stupid, funny shit, and yeah.
All you have to do is the challenge, okay? Boom. You're doing neat code, but just sit, all right? Trust the process.
Yo, am I gonna get jump scared?
I'm sure this is primed.
All right, God.
Do not type. Read the problem carefully before you try to solve it.
Okay.
Just if you start typing, you gotta solve the problem. Sorry.
I'm scared as hell, bro.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Wait, no, I can't. What is empty dictionary again? Wait, if I submit it, does it like make a noise, or is it just like a random chance of it? Fuck. Alright, I had to check. Alright, for each thing, they got it. I only code in Python now. No, I'm good. Yeah.
You're good.
Oh my fucking god, bro!
Keep going.
Is it just a random chance?
No, solve the problem.
I'm solving the problem. What?
You took too long.
Why did it delete my
Start
shit?
typing it.
Wait,
Finish it.
I'm gonna like copy and paste this now. Like, you got me like tripped up, bro. Bro, no. Bro, I'm submitting it.
Oh yeah. Wait, can you close this real quick? And can you just like make your code a little more readable and like, add some comments and stuff?
No. Wait, why would I do that?
Just do it.
Wait, so if you try and comment your shit, it just like nukes it? Bro, be a good boy and comment and then you get fucking punished, bro. Wait, it does it like multiple times.
It really makes sure your code is gone.
Then find what? Find the number.
Hey, you completed it.
Like, fuck this.